Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Sao Tome and Principe? Let's explore. Construction is a key sector in Sao Tome and Principe due to development needs and tourism. The average annual gross salary is around $4,800, or about $400 per month. After taxes, the annual salary is about $4,200, or around $350 per month. Where you work makes a difference. In the capital Sao Tome, salaries are usually higher. In smaller towns and rural areas, wages tend to be lower. Experience also plays a role. Entry-level workers might earn about $3,000 per year, while experienced ones can earn up to $6,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.